Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today it is the top 5 signs that you need new windows. Let's get into it. Number 1 is quite obvious. It's the hot summers and the cold winters and the windows are not putting up with it. Hot days, we all know that you come home from work and the house is 85, 86 degrees and you're like, man, do I need some new windows. Or in the opposite, it's cold outside and you come inside and you're like, golly man, it's 55 degrees in the house and I really need it to warm up. Well, when you have new windows, it's going to really help prevent that heat gain or that cold to just come through. And then the opposite is true whenever it's nice and warm inside the house and you don't want to let that nice warm air out. You need a really high performance window to keep it nice and temperate inside the house, whether you want it cold or whether you want it hot. These windows are going to be the best case scenario in order for you to have good energy efficiency. Number 2, a security issue. They don't lock well. And now you have a real situation on your hands, right? Can't sleep well at night. You got the little wooden dowels in the tracks, which is helpful, but isn't the end all. You need the locking mechanisms that are going to really help keep you safe. Number 3 sign is going to be drafty windows, right? So again, going back to how old a lot of these windows are, if there was any weather stripping on there originally, well, there probably isn't now. And so you're going to have, if it's a nice breezy day outside, you might have a lot of breeze coming in through the window, even though it's closed. You would know this by maybe drapes that are moving. Also, a lot of dirt being built up on your windowsills on the interior of your house. That is very telling of how much air is actually infiltrating into your house. Sometimes it's not a bad thing, but most times it's a terrible thing. You know, you're trying to keep your house at a certain temperature or you want it to stay cleaner longer. Well, when you have these older windows, they are just allowing dirt to come in, they're allowing breezes to come in. It's not helping the case at all. Number 4 reason would be very loud exterior. Let's say you live by a noisy street or you have neighbors that are constantly moving around, dogs are barking. A dual pane window coming from a single piece of glass is going to be a beautiful thing for you. If you go to 3 panes, if you live in a very cold area, Chicago, upstate New York, yeah, you're going to want 3 panes of glass because you want to really, keep that cold at bay. But it's also really good for the noise. So a lot of customers, one of the first things they tell me is once we have all the windows in, they go, wow, it got really quiet in my house. And that's a great thing. And it's also great for if you have dogs that are inside or you yourself or your family talk